Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's date is April the 24th, 2018. I looked in this little container here this morning and there is only one seed that has germinated. If we go back to the previous video, this is the package that we used, brand new seeds for cantaloupe. There is one seed that has germinated and I do want to get this on film so that we have it. I'm just going to open this up. And you can see right there the one seed. Let me just turn this so you can see this. Let's zoom in a little bit. And there is the seed. And that there needs to get planted, and I want to do that today. You can see the long taproot here, and that is just ready to be opened up. That seed really wants to, pop off of there, and the little leaves have already started. The other ones, there's absolutely nothing happening with them. And this happened with another package as well for this season, and I don't know why I'm having such trouble with them. I've got a little Jiffy pellet here. I'm going to saturate that with water. That'll take about 5 minutes, and then we're going to plant that one seed. And the other ones I'm going to cover back up, and hopefully we'll get a little bit more success. I don't know, but I'm going to keep you updated on that, as well as the one plant that we do have going at the moment. Well, I wasn't going to do this on camera, but I guess I will. So you just fill any little container up, take your little pellet, and you just drop it in there. And as the water starts getting sucked into that little pellet, if you need more, just add a little bit more water. But that's going to take about 5 minutes, so I will come back and we'll show you what it looks like in a second. So this is about 5 minutes later, and you can see our Jiffy pellet is full of water at this point. And this one here, I'm just going to open it up a little bit. Sometimes they don't open up, sometimes they do. So just pull that little membrane, it's like a little netting, away from the top. And then I'm just going to make a nice hole here because the taproot on this seed is quite large and I do not want to break it. I'm actually going to open up a little bit more. I don't want to take the chance of breaking that taproot. And then, let me just bring this in so you can see me doing this. I'm going to grab it from the top like that and then get it in, and then very, very gently just get that right in. And I can, the camera I don't think is picking that up, but I'm just coiling that taproot around itself a little bit. You can actually see the seed itself is almost breaking free, or the leaves are breaking free rather of the shell of the seed. We want to make sure we get around here really gentle. If you don't have tweezers, use a little toothpick. I want to make sure I get up around the stem here a little bit. I want to make sure that no light is getting into that taproot. I'm just compressing it a little bit, and that looks good. And that looks good just like that. So not a very good success rate with these cantaloupes. So I'm going to cover these back up. So we are the 24th of April, and I'm going to keep updated with the videos on these just to see what happens. Let's look at the germination again. You can see right here, 5 to 10 days. Who knows, maybe in a day or two, some of these other ones will start germinating. So I will keep you up to date. This is video number 2 in the Cantaloupe series. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you do subscribe, there's a brand new notification bell right beside the subscribe button. If you click on that, you'll be alerted of any new videos that I upload to YouTube. And if you love to bake, please check me out at my baking channel, youtube.com/bakelikeapro. And I also have my Facebook page, facebook.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.